Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about a product that's been catching a lot of attention in the beauty world, Temptu S highlighter in copper bronze. If you've been on the hunt for a highlighter that delivers that gorgeous, glowing finish without feeling too heavy or unnatural, keep watching because I've tested this one out in real-world conditions and I'm ready to share the results. The Temptu S highlighter in copper bronze is a liquid highlighter that's designed to enhance your skin with a warm, glowing radiance. It's perfect for those with light to medium skin tones who are looking for a highlighter with a bit more depth and warmth. The formula is buildable, which means you can layer it for a more intense glow or keep it subtle for an everyday look. It's part of Temptu's SB silicone water-based line, which has a reputation for being long-lasting and versatile. Now, when it comes to the ingredients, this highlighter promises a blend of lightweight formulas that offer smooth application without feeling greasy. I found it to blend beautifully into the skin, whether you're applying it with your fingers or a makeup sponge. It dries down without feeling sticky, so it won't disrupt any makeup you've already applied. I first tested this out during a regular day of filming, and I have to say, I was impressed. The application was super smooth, no streaking or patchiness, which is key when you're dealing with a liquid highlighter. It didn't settle into any fine lines or pores, which is a common concern with some cream or liquid highlighters. After a few hours of wear, the shine remained intact, and my skin still looked like it was glowing from within. I tried it both on my cheekbones and down the bridge of my nose for a more sculpted look, and it performed well both ways. What I love about this highlighter is its versatility. You can easily mix it into your foundation for an all-over glow, or just tap it onto high points of your face for a targeted shine. However, if you're looking for a super blinding highlight, this one is more on the natural side. It's buildable, but I didn't get that mirror-like gleam you might get from more intense formulas. In terms of pros, this product is super lightweight, which I really appreciate. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey on the skin, which can sometimes happen with cream-based highlighters. Another plus is its staying power. It stayed put all day without needing a touch-up. The texture is also very smooth, so it blends beautifully. On the flip side, the downside for me was the color selection. While copper bronze is stunning for light to medium skin tones, I could see it being a little too warm for those with deeper skin tones who prefer a highlighter that leans more gold or champagne. It's something to consider based on your skin tone and what kind of glow you're going for. Now, as far as value for money, Temptu is on the pricier side of things. The price reflects the high-quality formula, the longevity, and the buildable coverage. But if you're working with a budget, this might feel a bit steep. However, you're paying for a product that delivers a natural, radiant finish, and I believe it's worth the investment if you want something that's going to last all day without reapplication. If you're thinking of trying something similar, but maybe at a more affordable price point, there are other liquid highlighters from brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal that offer a similar effect, but at a lower cost. While they might not have the same buildable texture as Temptu, they can be a solid alternative if you're just looking for a pop of glow without breaking the bank. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple, and the formula feels professional grade. It's definitely designed to last, and I don't expect it to expire quickly or become unusable after a few months. One thing I didn't mention yet is customer support. Temptu has a strong reputation in the beauty industry, and their customer service is known for being responsive and helpful. If you ever run into issues with the product, it's good to know that they're there to assist you. To wrap up, if you're after a highlighter that gives you a natural, radiant glow and don't mind investing a little more for the quality, the Temptu SB highlighter in copper bronze is a fantastic choice. It offers great buildable coverage, blends seamlessly into the skin, and stays put throughout the day. It's perfect for anyone looking for a subtle yet effective highlighter that works for both casual and glam looks. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.